Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. When it comes to video editing, one of the biggest challenges is dealing with large video files. They take up a lot of storage space and can be difficult to upload or share with others. In this video, we'll show you how to compress a video without losing quality, and for that purpose, we'll be using the software called HandBrake. So let's get started. HandBrake is a free, open-source video transcoding software that allows you to compress videos without losing quality. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and is a great tool for anyone who wants to optimize their video files. So let's dive right in. The first step is to import the video file you want to compress. To do that, click on the Open Source button, browse for your video file, and select it. Next, choose the output destination and select the video codec you want to use. HandBrake offers a variety of video codecs, including H.264 and H.265, which are known for their high compression rates and low file sizes, so you can use it for almost any type of video file. Once you've selected your codec, you can adjust the video settings to further optimize the compression. For example, you can adjust the video resolution, bitrate, and frame rate to achieve the desired balance between file size and video quality. Once you're happy with your compression settings, simply click the Start button to begin the compression process. Depending on the size of your video file and the compression settings you've chosen. And that's it. You now have a compressed video file that's smaller in size but still retains the same level of video quality. This makes it easier to upload to video sharing platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or to share with friends and family via email or messaging apps. So, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to compress your video files, give HandBrake a try. With its intuitive interface, wide range of options, and ability to compress videos without losing quality, it's a powerful tool that should be in every video editor's toolkit. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to compress a video without losing quality using HandBrake. It's an excellent tool for optimizing your videos for online sharing or reducing their file size to save storage space. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.